Hi, Sandy. At your house, we will we'll come there at lunchtime, and then we'll get dressed into our swimsuits. We might just be already in our swimsuits, probably, probably not.
And then you're gonna get in our pool. Right?
Then we're gonna get in your guys' pool, and then we'll come out for hot dogs and hamburgers. We might stay in for a little while, but we'll come out and eat something. And we are gonna come out and sunbathe. We're so hot from being so cold from being in the pool.
And then do you want to play like a game or something at their house, or what would you like to do?
Me and Connor might play rock, paper, scissors, or Rochambeau.
Anything else? Maybe hide and seek at their house?
Yeah, maybe hide and seek.
Then maybe have dessert?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Say, okay, we'll see you on Sunday.
Okay, we'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.